So here we are with the second half of the video. I got it all put together and I'll show you. So basically this dimmer had to get installed, and these two drives, these two output drives had to get installed and plugged in on the end. And here's the light right here. So as you can see from the other lights, to give you a top view, it's quite a good sized light. Definitely a great area. Let me come down a little bit and I'll show you the light itself. I like the size of the light. It's going to give me great coverage here at the end. And what we're looking at again is the TSW 2000 that Maz Hydro from Amazon was gracious enough to send me for a testing. So it's another sponsorship. I got 4 of their lights in here now. I'm doing good. Hopefully someday they send me a 3000. That'd be awesome. And I can do this whole tent. But anyway, so we're going on. And also, like I mentioned a little earlier, I hooked up the Daisy link chain. And now, unfortunately, I had a couple more. I got to look for them, because I do want to hook up the TSL 2000 to the TS 1000. But so far I get the TSW 2000 and the TSL 2000 hooked together. And what it basically does is now I can dim one and they'll both dim. So let me get down here. Here's the dimmer. I only got it on 50%. Let me bump her up to 100 and watch these two lights and they'll both start dimming. So you can actually control all your lights as long as you got that Daisy chain hooked up one to the other, one to the other. So right now I'm just running her on 50%, and we'll get more into that on the next video. But all in all, it's a beautiful light, and probably next video we'll get into some power readings, and I'll take out my meter and we'll go over all 4 lights and see what they're pushing, because I like to equal them out. Now the ones with the dimmers, I can pretty much get them equal, but the TS600 doesn't have a dimmer, so I have to adjust that by height. So more than likely that one will always be a little lower. And I'm just leaving it like this for now. I got to do another video, an update video, second since they popped up, but I'm not going to talk too much about that till the next video. Really, this video is about ending the installation of this light. So once again, take a quick look at it. It's a very easy setup. Plug and play, and if you have more than one, I strongly suggest using the Daisy link chain. The only thing is though, I'd probably only use it on comparable lights. Like this is a 2000, that's a 2000, probably pushing pretty close. If I was to hook it to the 1000, I don't think I'd have the same power value or power output if I started dimming it. But it'll be an experiment for me to look into anyway. So that's about it for this video. Here you are, TSW 2000. Quite the light, a beauty. And I thank Maz Hydro, sold on Amazon. So, the beginning. Thanks for watching.